If you ever see a giant bird staring at you like a statue, don't panic, but don't move either. This creature can stand completely still for hours, almost like it's frozen in time.
Bro, what kind of animal even does that? Is it watching you or just waiting for the perfect moment?
Before I tell you, drop a heart if you love this puppies, hit like and subscribe, and share this with your friends. This is actually called the Shoebill, a powerful hunter that stays motionless to ambush its prey, then strikes with lightning speed. That intense stare? It's not just creepy, it means it's locked onto its next meal.